Hi everyone, today we will be reading a part of this book called Big Cats. By Jonathan Sheikh-Miller and Stephanie Turnbull. Designed by Neil Francis. Illustrated by John Woodcock. Cheetahs. Cheetahs live on open grasslands in many regions of Africa and parts of Asia. They aren't as strong as leopards and lions, which live there too, and find it difficult to compete with them for food. Big cat cheaters. Many people view cheetahs as big cats, but some experts think they shouldn't be included in this group because their bodies look very different from other big cats' bodies. Also, unlike most big cats, they can roar but make high-pitched yelps instead. Fast but weak. Although cheetahs are fast movers, they can only manage to run at very high speeds for about 300 meters, which is 1,000 feet. By the time they have caught their prey, cheetahs are exhausted. As a result, lions, leopards, hyenas, and even vultures can easily snatch away their meal. On the lookout. Unlike many big cats, cheetahs hunt during the day. They do this to keep out of the way of lions and leopards, which tend to hunt in the evening or at night. When hunting, cheetahs try to find areas of raised ground which will give them a good view of the open grasslands. Cubs in danger. Cheetah cubs face a battle to survive. Within 3 months of their birth, most of them die. Some are snatched by predators and others starve. Female cheetahs need to make a kill almost every day to feed their cubs, but hunting is difficult and they can't always find enough food. Hungry for gazelles. Gazelles are the most common choice of prey for cheetahs. They are smaller than cheetahs and are easily overpowered. But gazelles are fast runners, and if they see a cheetah nearby, they can sometimes get away. Cheetahs usually target young or old gazelles, which can run very fast. Here you can clearly see the cheetah's slim, athletic body shape. Fact: in the 16th century, the Indian Emperor Akbar tamed cheetahs and used them to catch gazelles on hunting trips. This female cheetah is keeping a close eye on her cub, but when she goes off to find food, it is in danger of being taken by predators. This cheetah has climbed onto a mound made by insects called termites to look for prey. American big cats. Although some of the best-known cats live in Africa and Asia, North, Central, and South America contain many types of wild cats, including jaguars and pumas. Jaguars. Jaguars are the third largest of the big cats. They live in Central America and parts of South America, mostly in tropical rainforests and never far from rivers or lakes. Like leopards, they have spotted fur, but jaguars have shorter legs, larger heads, and stockier bodies. Water lovers. Jaguars hunt on the ground, in trees, and even in water. They are good swimmers and often attack turtles, alligators, and snakes in rivers. Jaguars also catch fish, but they can do this by fishing them from the bank. Adaptable cats. Pumas, also called cougars, panthers, or mountain lions, live all over America, from Canada all the way down to Argentina, at the southern tip of South America. Pumas live in a wide variety of habitats, including mountains, grasslands, rainforests, and swamps. Big little cat. Pumas are not usually classed as big cats, but they are often bigger than leopards and can be well over 2 meters, which is 6 feet in length. They are easily capable of killing large prey such as wild deer and horses. Big leapers. Pumas are very athletic and have strong back legs. They can leap the length of a bus in one bound when chasing after prey, and can jump almost 5 meters, which is 16 feet, straight off the ground into trees or onto rocky ledges. This is an excellent close-up view of a jaguar prowling through a forest in Belize, in Central America. To catch fish, a jaguar finds a spot close to the water and lies in wait, keeping very still. When a fish comes near, it swipes at it with one paw and hooks it right out of the water. You can clearly see this puma's large, powerful front paws. Pumas use their front paws to grab hold of their prey. A puma leaps impressively over some rocks as it chases its prey. Small wild cats. There are many species of small wild cats living all over the world, some of which you won't have heard of before. Because of their size, many of these cats are very agile. Leaping servals. Servals live in Africa. They have very good hearing and can hear small animals rustling in the grass. From the noise, they can work out exactly where an animal is and pounce on it. Servals are also able to leap a long way off the ground, which means that they can catch birds in the air too. Lynxes. Lynxes live in North America, Asia, and in parts of Europe. They have short tails, distinctive tufts of fur on the tips of their ears, and long fur around their faces. Their sense of smell is thought to be particularly good. They can detect the scent of their prey 300 meters, which is 1,000 feet away. Athletic margays. Margays live in the rainforests of Central and South America. They are very athletic and are super climbers. Their sharp claws grip branches firmly, and their flexible ankle joints enable them to move around trees almost as easily as monkeys. They can run headfirst down tree trunks and can even run upside down along branches. This is a serval. It is using its very large ears to listen out for prey. A serval creeps up on birds while they are on the ground. When the birds fly away, the serval leaps up and knocks one to the ground. Fact: the rusty spotted cat from Sri Lanka and India is the smallest cat in the world. It is only half the size of a pet cat. Like snow leopards, lynxes have wide paws. Here you can see how they help them to walk on deep snow. A margay crouching in a tree. These cats spend much of their time off the ground.